Is there somebody who is ready to answer from the side of BJP? You are answering a lot, so I have expectation out of you. No? Was there any case in which, let's say, PM is facing the interview, but he had to stop that interview in the mid, like, please just disconnect the camera and all, I don't want to give you interview anymore now, like that?
I have seen some video, but in that video he was not actually saying that he disconnected, but there was several signs that he was asking indirectly to stop the video, but I am not remembering the title and the content.
Okay.
I think Aapki Adalat.
No, it was not Aapki Adalat.
Aapki Adalat.
No. No, it was. What was he saying?
Actually, the Aapki Adalat, that what do you call that person, sir? Who asked?
Rajat Sharma.
Rajat Sharma is asking. Someone was saying after the independence of India, then people of India will become dog, kind of a thing. Okay. Then Modi ji said, who was that? Then Rajat said, you were the first who said this.
To say that.
To say that.
No, sir, but it was different video. In my video that I was seeing, in between the interview, the Prime Minister asked for water.
Yes, that is the same. Karan Thapar. It was Mr. Thapar, right? And that interview was in English language, in which he was asking some strict questions, right? Then, but after that, Mr. Modi asked him to disconnect that, and he asked for a glass of water, and then at the end, he ended up saying that ऐसा काम करो कि हमारी दोस्ती बनी रहे, terms बने रहे, है ना? Means don't ask irritating question, don't irritate me. Ask some pacifying questions, such as आप थकते क्यों नहीं हैं? आप 18 घंटे काम करते हैं, इतनी एनर्जी आप कहाँ से लाते हैं, है ना? How do you get this much of energy?
And sir, I would like to accuse him for giving wrong facts. The Dharmendra Pradhan, the education minister, has not resigned yet, and he was saying that he is terminated. So he is giving wrong facts.
He's falsifying.
He is falsifying.
Yes.
No, I am listening. I have not done yet.
Okay, please listen to these two people. Yes.
Sir, I have a question to all the people who are opposing the Congress, who are opposing the BJP. Sir, I have only one question related to this. Sir, my question is that to the people that.
First of all, please specify your party. Which party are you from?
I am
From?
I am supporting BJP. Sir.
BJP party. Okay, till here the BJP people are there, and this person is in the Congress party, right? Okay, then please justify.
Sir, the people who are sitting over here, sir, I think, sir, they must be not in this situation right now because of BJP, sir. They are in this situation because, sir, they are paying very less tax according to the time which is being at 2015 to, I think, 2014 to 2015.
Okay.
Because, sir, the BJP has introduced the GST, and before that, sir, there are many direct taxes were there.
So was the application of GST good?
Sir, I think so, yes.
Okay,
Sir, it
and
is good because, sir, there are many indirect several taxes at that time. And
this was the benefit.
And sir, people were also giving the tax double time, sir.
Okay, very
So,
good.
There are multiple cases in which people are filing cases and complaining about paying the taxes, sir, double, triple, sir. It can be also like 4x time
Okay.
from now.
So
sir.
according to this boy, the GST has been very good,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to rebuttal? Okay.
But how can you eradicate because of that GST? The price of that thing, that goods are increased 10x times.
Okay.
Sir,
even
I have a
those
question
things
So
from
according to this boy, this GST is giving birth to dearness or inflation.
Okay, sir, the value of dollar has been increased. Whatever the transaction is being done from
Depreciation of money.
Depreciation of money.
So does the BJP have answer about the depreciation of money?
Yes, sir.
Please answer
Sir,
it.
because of BJP, sir, the net factor income from abroad, sir, I think so has been increased as it was before.
Okay.
So because the net exports are literally increasing day by day because of BJP, sir.
Okay, very good.
And-
So BJP is doing a very good job,
Sir, I think so.
right? हाँ, BJP.
Sir,
Sir, I have one question related to GST.
Okay.
BJP person mentioned about GST. So, sir, my simple question is: before the ruling party of BJP, when the Congress was trying to impose the GST,
Yes.
what BJP was trying to refuse that.
Huh.
But after his regime came in India, he introduced that GST. So, it is a fair.
तो बेटा आई एम गोइंग टू स्पेसिफाई द क्वेश्चन बट यू विल नॉट स्पीक इन हिंदी. जिस जीएसटी का अपोज खुद बीजेपी ने किया, उसी बीजेपी ने उसको अप्लाई कर दिया. इस बात से आपको प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? यू अपोज दैट. सो प्लीज दीज पीपल आर सपोज टू आंसर दैट.
so sir, these guys talked about inflation, right? So let me give facts.
ओके.
Inflation is a global problem today due to COVID and Russia. Due to COVID and Russia.
बेटा एक्चुअली ना तुमने क्या किया हुआ है, यू हैव स्टडीड सर्टेन थिंग्स, यू आर ओनली टॉकिंग ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, वेयर एज देयर क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट. इज शी आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन और नॉट? यू आर नॉट आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन बेटा.
That's the leader of BJP, sir. That's the leader
Sir,
of BJP.
I am-
If you ask, sir,
one second.
lead people sleep.
I am coming to the
Yes,
topic.
sir.
I am coming to the question.
यस प्लीज.
He asked about the inflation.
I am asking about the freedom.
I am coming to the.
I have a question.
बेटा फर्स्ट प्लीज आंसर हिज क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट.
I
I
asked
am
many
coming-
questions, but you didn't give me any question.
Yes.
You left
Now,
us on media.
okay, beta, listen. They are getting the complete chance to satiate these people.
I
Yes.
am coming to the question.
Okay, please, beta, talk to the point. Yeah.
Okay. Due to COVID and Russia-Ukraine war, whole world faced price rise. Even USA, Europe had high inflation. But what did BJP do? Gave free. What did BJP do? Gave free ration to 80 crore people for 3 years. Gave Ujjwal gas subsidy and controlled petrol prices.
So beta, do you want to say BJP is able to, like BJP applied the GST or took the tax from the public to give these facilities to people? Yes. Or are you confused?
I would like to refute that point.
Okay.
Sir, she was saying that at the time of Russia and Ukraine war, the petrol prices were not rise, but has not risen in India. But I would like to refute her point that there is a policy in India that if the petrol prices should be given at a fixed rate,
Okay.
whether it is the petrol companies are buying it in cheaper or higher prices in international market. But at the time of Iran war, the petrol prices were raised significantly. So it was not implemented as the modern was when there was international prices was very low. So I would like to ask her why it was so such.
At Congress time,
Why are you debating my question?
Don't try to deviate from the question. Talk to the point, please.
please repeat your question.
Yes.
My question is simple. The international prices differ significantly. Sometimes they are very cheap and sometimes they are very costly. The international prices of petroleum. And in India we are following the model in which if the prices are cheaper in the international market, the companies will buy it cheaper and will sell it in their profit to the citizens. But if the price is very higher or the costlier, then the companies will sell it in the loss to the citizens. But after the Iran war, it was not implemented. It was not followed that it was being followed when the prices were cheaper.
Can somebody answer?
You know what